Hi, I'm Ms. Gilmour, a third grade CLCE teacher, and today we are going to be learning about fraction and how we partition them through a hands-on whole group activity. All right, excellent. Today we are going to learn about, you say fractions.
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 Fractions is kind of like when you make a cake and you have to share your cake with everybody at your party. Who's ever had to do that? Or, I know. Who's ever had pizza? Whew. Okay, do y'all eat the whole pizza?
No.
Okay, maybe I have. I have maybe once or twice. But usually, that pizza, what does it look like when you get the pizza? What does it look like, Hayes?
It's sliced into different pieces.
Yeah, I want you to reach out to your Turn and Talk partner. Reach out to your Turn and Talk partner. All right, tell your Turn and Talk partner, how many pieces of pizza do you usually eat? Turn and Talk. How many pieces? Back on minute. Back on minute. Bring it back in. 5, 4, 3, 2, laddies. 1. Oh, I smell some awesome points in your future. Wonderful job, laddies. So, usually you eat more than one piece, right?
Yes.
Excellent. When you are eating pizza, y'all, guess what you're doing? You're eating you say fraction.
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 So, we've kind of been talking about it in our number talks. But a fraction has you say numerator.
Numerator.
Denominator.
Denominator.
A numerator is on top. You say on top.
On top.
And then it has a denominator, which is, you say on bottom.
On bottom.
Excellent. So one more time. We have a numerator.
Numerator.
Denominator.
Denominator.
And it looks like this.
And it looks like this.
This is you say fraction.
Fraction.
So let's make our very own fraction with some brownies. All right, excellent. So I need you to listen very closely. Go ahead and turn on your ears. Turn on your ears. Now what we are about to do is third grade work, okay? We get to eat brownies in third grade, but this is you say privilege.
Privilege.
And if we don't follow instructions or we're not doing what we're supposed to be doing, then it can be taken
Away.
Excellent. So what I'm going to do, I've already wiped down your desks so they are nice and clean, okay? I'm going to pass out a brownie and a napkin. Now listen, you are not touching your brownie and you are not touching your napkin yet. Do we understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Olivia, what is your question, baby? What, baby?
I don't want to eat mine right now. I want to eat mine.
You want to save it? That's fine. But before, I'm not just going to give you a brownie.
No.
We are going to, you say, this is a really big word. Are you ready? You say partition.
Partition.
So, I really notice and love how Olivia has her eyes on me. I notice how Lucas is not messing with anything and has his eyes on me. And Emery and Hayes. Ooh, I love the eyeballs. Wonderful. All right. So, when I pass out your brownie and your napkin, I would like for you to write. Each of you are going to start off with this brownie. Look at it. It's pretty. Everyone say, hi, brownie.
Hi, brownie.
You will be in my stomach soon.
You will be in my stomach soon.
How many brownies are we starting off with?
One.
How many?
One.
How many?
One whole.
So, when you get your brownie, not yet, when you get your brownie, you are going to write, we are starting off with how many brownies?
One.
You are going to write one whole brownie. Then in this area right here, I want you to draw, what does your brownie look like? Do we understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm passing out your brownie and your napkin. When you get it, you are writing that we are starting off with one whole brownie
One whole brownie.
and what it looks like.
And what it looks like.
Do not touch it yet. Do not touch it yet. Once you get your brownie, you can start coloring it. What does it look like? Ooh.
Oh, I need to get my colors out.
No, no colors yet, baby girl.
Oh.
Not yet, my angel. Who's ever had one of these brownies? Raise your hand.
Not me.
What do you notice about this brownie when you get it? Don't say anything yet. I want you to look and ask yourself, what do you notice about this brownie? What's something that you notice about this brownie? You've got 10 more seconds before we turn and talk. 10 more seconds before we turn and talk. Once we get it, don't worry, sweetie, you'll get one. Once you get it, you are writing how many brownies you get, and you really should only be getting one. You say whole, brownie, and then you need to draw what it looks like. What does it look like? You're awesome. Uh-oh, I ran out. None for you three. I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. All right, reach out to your turn and talk partner, and at a voice level 1, I want you to whisper. Is there something that you notice about your body?
That it has.
Oh, 5, 4, 3, 2. Show me a whisper. Whisper. It's something that you notice about All right, go ahead and bring it in. Then 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, has everybody drawn a picture of their brownie? Ooh, amazing. Oh, I love it.
No, I didn't.
Gael, it's okay, baby. Draw a picture of your brownie. What does it look like? Hair. I noticed that Jade has drawn her brownie. I noticed that Skylar has drawn her brownie. Excellent. Now I have a question. I need someone to raise their hand. When you draw this brownie, how many pieces does this brownie have? Somebody raise their hand. How many pieces does this brownie have? I want you to turn and talk to your partner. Whisper it. How many pieces does this brownie have? Bring back in. 5, 4, 3, 2. I want you to tell me like you're a spooky ghost. How many pieces does this brownie have? I say, you say 1. Whole. So when you drew this beautiful picture of your brownie, you should know that we have 1 whole. Now it's about to get really fun. I need everybody, Gael, we're not coloring right now. Not yet. We're not coloring right now. No, sir. Please put it back. Now, are you ready for the fun part?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I'm going to pass out to each of you a little butter knife. Now, your job right now is you are not touching this. Are we touching this right now?
No, ma'am.
Are we touching this right now?
No, ma'am.
No. I'm going to put this down on your table. But when I put this down, I would like for you to unwrap your brownie and place it on your napkin just like this. Ready? Watch how amazing I am. Are you ready?
Yes.
Are y'all sure?
Yes.
Y'all think I can do it?
It's easy.
Oh, you think?
Yeah.
I've done it
millions of times.
5, 4, 3, 2. I'm going to pass out. Amazing. I've noticed your quiet signs, Lucas. That was amazing. Wonderful job. When I pass out your butter knife, you are going to unwrap your brownie, put it on your napkin, and leave it alone. Do we understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Right now, we're doing this at a voice level 0. Does this mean that I am hearing talking?
No, ma'am.
No. You may unwrap it and have it just like mine is. We are doing this at a voice level 0. If you need help, I'll come. You are unwrapping your brownie and placing it on your napkin. Gael. Wait. I'll do it. I'll do it. Voice level. I notice how Colin is sitting quietly. His brownie is almost done being unwrapped. I see that Nicholas's brownie is completely unwrapped. I see that Olivia's brownie is completely unwrapped. Almost there, Millie. Oh, more for me. Wonderful. Let's read the bottom underneath it. It says, now we are going to cut it in the middle. So wait, and you're going to watch and do this with me. We're going to cut it in the middle. So, you are going to take your little butter knife. Hold it like so. Up in the air. Wonderful. We're not waving it around. Hold your butter knife like so. Do you have one, Colin, sweetie? Oh, I am so sorry, my angel. Let me get one for you. I guess you don't eat one. None for you.
How dare you? Oh, then you just have to crack it in half.
Who's going to be my quiet monitor? I'm using the extra one. Okay, can I have a spoon then? Wow. Here you go, sir. Just for you, madam. Alrighty. Now, you are going to do exactly as I do. I need your eyes on the screen. It is asking us now to cut it once in the middle. Now, let me ask you, because I just don't know. Is that in the middle?
No!
How do you know it's not in the middle? How do you know it's not in the middle, Nicholas?
Because I don't know it's too small.
Because this side is too small. The halves or the parts, you say equal?
Equal?
Are they?
No!
No, they aren't equal. So, eyes on me. 5, 4, 3, 2. We're going to cut this down the middle. Now, are you ready for a brand new exciting word?
Yes.
You say partition.
Partition.
Break apart.
Break apart.
We are about to partition, break apart this brownie. Are y'all ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
You are cutting it straight down the middle, just like this. Try and get it as even as possible. Once you have done that, stop. Once you have done that and it looks similar to mine, stop. And give me a thumbs up. Woo! Nicholas and Calvin, your expectations. Wonderful. Wonderful. Wonderful job. You want help? Excellent. Now I have a question. I want you to reach out to your turn and talk partner. Reach out to your turn and talk partner. How many pieces do we now have? Whisper it. How many pieces do you have? Oh, excellent. Bring it back in. 5, 4, 3, 2. Werewolves. Beetlejuice.
Yes.
Show me with your fingers. How many pieces do you now see? Show me with your fingers. writing in this blank, we now have 2 equal pieces. You're writing it in this blank. We now have 2 equal pieces. We have partitioned it into 2 equal pieces. We now have how many parts of a whole? Show me your fingers. We now have 2 parts of a whole. Count with me. 1, 2. So you are filling in these blanks. We cut our piece in the middle. We got 2 equal halves. And we have 2 parts of a whole. Watch this. Are you ready for some magic? Are y'all ready?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
If I put both of these back together, what is that going to create?
A hole.
A what?
A hole.
Yes. All right, Gael, you're going to go with Missy.
I haven't been with you in a little while.
Bye, Missy. Yeah, if we put both those pieces together, it makes a whole. Now, how many pieces am I holding right now?
1/2.
Whoa! Whoa. Hold on. Hold on. Y'all are like so amazing. It's like y'all been doing this forever. This is 1 piece. This is 1 piece of my whole. So watch this. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, I say, you say denominator.
Denominator.
Is how many pieces our whole is broken into. So, our denominator is how many pieces our whole is broken into. Show me with your fingers. How many pieces is our whole broken into? Sing it to me.
2.
So, our denominator that goes on the bottom is going to be
2.
excellent. So, write it 2. Now, everybody pick up 1 part of your brownie and hold it up in the air and say, "Hello, brownie.
Hello, Brownie.
You will be in my stomach soon."
You will be my stomach.
How many pieces are we holding right now? Give it to me.
1/2.
But how many pieces am I holding? Just
1/2.
Just 1. Y'all are jumping ahead. Y'all are amazing. Listen, y'all are going to take my job. Yeah, this is 1 piece. So I say, you say numerator.
Numerator.
It's how many fraction pieces we have. So right now, how many pieces are we holding?
1.
1. So our numerator that goes on top is going to be
1.
excellent. And y'all were absolutely right. You've been saying it the whole time. Put it down, and you are writing. Now I would like for you to draw a picture. What does our brownie look like now down here? Looks a little different than when you first started. What does our brownie look like now? And you're drawing it right here. I'm going to draw what mine looks like. Once you have drawn what your brownie looks like, go ahead and give me 2 thumbs up. Hayes is ready to go. Jade is ready to go. Nicholas, Calvin, Olivia, Millie, Lucas, Micah.
Cooper.
That was scary. Koopa, Colin. Excellent. I'm going to give you a couple more seconds. This is, I say, you say 1/2
1/2
of a whole.
of a whole.
Now I give you a couple more seconds to finish up drawing one more time. I say, you say numerator.
Numerator.
Denominator.
Denominator.
Our bottom number, our denominator is how many pieces our whole is. I say, you say broken.
Broken.
Into.
Into.
Or, since you're so fancy, how many pieces our whole is. I say, you say partitioned.
Partition.
Into. It just sounds even more fancy than broken. Excellent job. So we started off with 1 whole brownie. We split it into 2 equal pieces, halves. And let's go ahead and label those too. This is a half. And this is a half. Nicholas and Skylar, I notice how you are listening and paying attention. Wonderful job. Amazing work, Olivia. Now, let's flip it over to the back side. Let's see what's going to happen. Ho, ho, ho! We got to cut it again. Oh. Now, let's cut these pieces in half. Whoa. Okay. All right. Well, I guess let's do it, everybody. We're going to take both of our pieces. Watch me first. Watch me first. Eyes up here. Give me your eyeballs, please. Throw them at me. Throw them. Thank you. Thank you. Watch, watch. You're watching. I'm going to take my half and I'm going to cut it in half. Half. I'm trying really hard. I do have a spoon because I love y'all so much. I gave you all the knives. So I cut this in half. Okay, now I got to go over here and cut this in half. I want you to do the same. Then once you've cut both of them in half, and it looks like this, I want you to... Skylar, are you spooky? Wow. Excellent. Once you have spooky ghosts, I want you to draw. What does it look like now? Draw, and this spot's right here. What do you see now? I'm going to draw what I see. I'm going to try my best to make them equal. Ooh, once you have spooky ghosts and you've drawn this, and you're spooky ghosting, that lets me know that you are ready. Haze is ready. Or you can, ooh, that's good. I like that where you can, I like that one. Excellent. And spooky, scary skeleton. Send shivers down your spine. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, y'all. How many total pieces do we now have? Reach out to your turn and talk partner. Reach out to your turn and talk partner. Reach out to your turn and talk partner. I want you to whisper. How many total pieces do we have now? 3 back in. 5, 4, 3, 2. Think. How many total pieces we have? Think. And be ready to say it loud and proud. Think. How many total pieces do we have? Say. 4. I don't believe you.
Oh, sure. Count it.
Somebody raise their... Oh, maybe I should count it. Okay, fine. You count it for me.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, I guess we have 4 total. I'm sorry. I should have never doubted you. We now have 4 total pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. We broke, or I say, you say partition.
Partition.
Our whole into how many pieces now?
4.
4 equal pieces. Olivia, sweet girl, pin your question real quick, okay? Real quick, okay, baby? I say, you say partition.
Partition.
Means break in half. Or break apart. Okay, I'm gonna stop singing. Alright, now let's try to figure out the fraction. Okay, I say, you say, before we even do that, I notice and love how Colin and Mika this whole time have had their eyes on me. Oh my goodness. I say, you say, numerator.
Numerator.
Denominator.
Denominator.
Now remember, our denominator is how many pieces our whole is. I say, you say, partition.
Partition.
It's broken
Broken into.
So our denominator is 4 pieces. Count it with me. 1,
2, 3, 4.
I say, you say numerator.
Numerator.
Denominator.
Denominator.
Is how many pieces our whole is broken into.
Broken into.
And y'all already told me, you proved me wrong, that it's broken into 4 pieces. Now, our numerator, how many pieces am I holding right now?
1.
How many pieces?
1.
So that is my I say, you say numerator.
Numerator.
Goes on top. 1. This is worth 1/4. Say it with me. I say, you say 1/4.
1/4.
So we're going to label each of these because this is 1/4. That means this is 1/4. What do you think this is worth, Lucas?
1/4.
Oh, what do you think this is worth, Millie?
1/4.
1/4. Excellent. So you are going to label these. That's 1/4. That's 1/4.
Do we have to do it on the
That's 1/4. If you have a question, please raise your hand. You do not blurt out. Once you have labeled this, I want you to put your pen down. So I have a very important question. Emery, I love it, girl. Make sure you fix your mask, baby. As we keep on partitioning, I say, you say partition.
Partition.
Break apart.
Break apart.
Every time we partition our brownie, is it getting bigger or smaller?
Smaller.
Yeah, the pieces are getting smaller and smaller and smaller.
But the numbers are getting bigger.
Oh, what a cool connection. I want you to, hey, will you put that in the thought bubble? Because I want to talk about that during tomorrow's number talk. That was excellent. All right, now here's the fun part. I'm going to ask you to eat, don't do anything yet, 1 piece. This will be our numerator, not yet. When I say so, you may take off your mask and you may eat 1 piece and put your mask back on. Do we understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Are we turning around when we're eating our piece?
No.
Are we turning to the side?
No.
We are eating how many pieces?
1.
You don't have to eat yours if you don't want to. You are eating 1 piece and then you are putting your mask back on. Do we understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Since we are 6 feet apart, we are able to do this, but I want your mask back on once we are done. Do we understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, if you would like, you may take off your mask, eat 1 piece, and then put it back on. That's okay. I don't want to eat mine yet either. How many pieces are y'all eating right now?
1.
This is our I say, you say numerator.
Numerator.
We are eating 1 piece. I love it, Colin. You ate your piece and you put back on your mask. Wonderful. We ate 1 piece. But I have a question. How many total pieces did we break our hole into?
4.
How many?
4.
Turn and talk. How do you know? Wait, not yet. I lied. Because you're still eating. And if you don't want to eat it, just give it to me.
I'm going to see your piece.
I love brownies. How many pieces did we break our hole into? How many?
4.
How many, Mika? How do you know 4? No, tell me.
We ended up with 1 hole, and then we cut it into half, and then we cut it into 4.
Excellent. So how many total pieces did we break our hole into?
4.
Excellent. You just ate 1/4 of your brownie. Say, I say, you say 1/4
1/4
is in my tummy.
is my tummy.
Excellent. I noticed how your masks are back on. Wonderful job. Your knees are facing the board. Your eyes are on the board. Wonderful. All right, y'all. I guess you're still hungry because guess what? You now get to eat another piece if you would like. You may take back off your mask, and if you want, eat another piece. Ooh, we having brownies for breakfast. Brownies for breakfast.
You got so many people.
How many pieces have we now eaten?
2.
How many?
2. Yeah, 2.
What do you think? What do you think, Nicholas?
2.
2. We ate 1 piece. Yum, 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 yum. Pretend you don't see that. We ate 2 pieces. Yum, 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 yum. I say, you say, numerator.
Numerator.
It's how many pieces that we have eaten, okay? So how many pieces did you say we ate?
2.
2. After we ate another piece, we ate 2 pieces. I noticed that Mika's mask is back on. I noticed that Kylie has written. All of this needs to be filled in. I noticed that Nicholas has finished. Wonderful. Now let's see how much we ate. At first we ate 1/4 because we ate 1 piece. But now that we've eaten 2 pieces, our I say, you say numerator.
Numerator.
Is how many pieces we ate. So if we ate 2 pieces, our 2 goes on top. And our last, but certainly not least, our I say, you say denominator.
Denominator.
Which is how many pieces our whole is broken into is still 4. We still broke our whole into 4 pieces. We ate 2/4 of the brownie.